Do you ever have find yourself using a product or a website and getting frustrated because it doesn't seem to work the way you want it to? Maybe you can't find what you are looking for or the design that doesn't make sense? Well, you're not alone. It's a common problem that many of us face every day, but what if I tell you that there's a solution? That's where user-centered design comes into picture. In this podcast, we'll be discussing how to create products that solve real user problems and deliver great user experience. Welcome to our podcast episode on user-centered design. Today, we'll be discussing how to create products that solve real user problems and deliver great user experience. If you're a product designer, developer, or an entrepreneur, this episode is definitely for you. So let's get started. So we have broken this episode into 4 sections. First, we will understand what is user-centered design. Second, why is user-centered design important? Third, we will be discussing industry examples of user-centered design to make it more relevant and easy to understand. And fourth, we will understand how to apply user-centered design principles in our products. So let's start. What is user-centered design? User-centered design is a process of designing product with the end user in mind. It means putting the user's needs and goals at the forefront to the design process rather than simply creating a product that looks good or is easy to use. The ultimate goal of user-centered design is to create products that solve real user problems and deliver great user experience. Second, why is user-centered design important? User-centered design is important for several reasons. First, it can help you create products that are more successful in market by understanding your users and designing a product that solves their real problems. You will be more likely to attract and retain customers. Second, it can help you reduce development cost and avoid costly mistakes. By involving users in the design process early on, you can identify potential issues before they become major problems. Third, it can help you differentiate your product from your competition. By focusing on the user experience and designing the product that are intuitive and easy to use, you can create a competitive advantage in the market. Let's take a look at some companies that have used user-centered design to create successful products. First, we'll speak about Dropbox. So as we know, Dropbox is a cloud storage company that has become popular for its ease of use and simplicity. One reason of its success is that it was designed with user feedback in mind. Dropbox founders listened to what users wanted in cloud storage service and designed a product that addressed those needs. For example, they made it easy to sync files across devices and share files with others, which made it a more convenient way to store and access files. Second example is Netflix. Since Netflix is a streaming service that has revolutionized the way we watch TV shows and movies. One reason of its success is that it was designed with users' feedback in mind. Netflix founders listened to what users wanted in a streaming service and designed a product that addressed those needs. For example, they developed algorithms that recommend content based on users' viewing history, which make it easier for the user to find new content that they are likely to enjoy. Third example, and very interesting, is Amazon. Since Amazon is an e-commerce company that has become one of the largest retailers in the world, one reason for its success is that it was designed with users' feedback in mind. Amazon founders again listened to the end customers, what they wanted in an online shopping experience, and designed a product that addressed those needs. For example, they developed one-click purchasing and robust reviewing system, which made it easier for users to buy product online and to make informed purchasing decisions. So now we have understood what is user-centered design, why it is important. We have also discussed about the industries, relevant industry examples. So now let's discuss how to apply user-centered design principles in our product. Now that we have seen some industry examples of user-centered design, let's talk about how we can apply these principles in your own product. So here are a few tips for you. First, conduct user research. Talk to your users, understand their needs and pain points. Use this information to guide your design decisions. Second, create a defined and detailed persona. Use the insights from your user research to create persona that represent your target user. This will help you to design product that meet their specific needs and suits the customer's requirements. Third step is prototype and test. Create a small prototype of your product and test them with the users to get feedback. Use this feedback to improve your design more and more. Fourth step is measure success. Use matrices like user engagement, retention, and satisfaction to measure the success of your user-centered design. Now, in conclusion, user-centered design is an essential part of creating successful products by understanding your users and designing a product that meets the needs of the customer. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the User-Centered Design Podcast. We hope that you have gained some valuable insight into how to create products that solve real user problems and deliver great user experience. See you into our next episode of Prodcast.